Hello, friends. Welcome to the second part of making the journal, ledger, and trial balance. So, in my last video, I have stopped at this place. So, that is how to classify the account, like how to classify the given entry into two types of accounts. Okay. So, in the last video, I have covered if one statement is given, how to find the two accounts in the statement and which account to credit and which account to debit. Now, we are going to make a journal out of it. Okay. So, how to make the journal? So first I am copy this content to the next place. Okay. Now in journal, what we have to do is, so two accounts will be there, right? So we have to write the account which is to be debited in the first, followed by the credited account. Okay. It is writing journal is very simple. See, first one, it is so cash account is in debit, capital account is in credit side, right? So how I will write is cash account, debtor, capital account. Okay. So what is the amount? So the amount is 11 lakhs. 11, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, what is the second one? Which account is in debit side? Equipment account. Okay. So how we have to write equipment account, debtor, cash account. Equipment account, debtor, cash account. Okay. So the amount is 75,000. Then third one. It is purchase account, debtor, cash account. Purchase account at our cash account. So the amount is 45,000. Then fourth one. It is salary account at our cash account. Uh-huh. What is fourth one? Fourth one is cash account at our sales account. Okay, this one, right? Cash account, debtor, cash account, debtor, sales account. So the amount is fourth one, 3,75,000. 375, 1, 2, 3. Then for fifth one. So fifth one, it is salary account, debtor, cash account. Salary account, debtor, cash account. So fifth one, the amount is 30,000. Okay. So like this, we have to write the journal for all the one. So it is, as it is very easy, I have made the journal entry for all the items. Okay. See, for sixth one, it will be purchase account, debtor, zero account. Okay. So writing journal, what we have to do? So we have to find which account is in debit side. Then we have to write that account in first. Okay. See, for sixth one, there are two accounts, purchase account and zero account, right? Here, purchase account is in debit side. So I have to write purchase account, debtor, zero account. Then the amount is 30,000. Okay. Then seventh one, advertisement expenses is in debtor side. So advertisement expenses account, debtor, cash account. Okay. So like this, I have write the journal for all the 18 items. Okay. See, I slowly scrolling, scroll the screen so you can make a note of it. So here one, first 10 journals are there. Then from 11 to 18, it is here. Okay. Now we are going to write the ledger. Okay. So writing ledger means, so what we have to do first before writing ledger? See, now I have to write all the accounts name. Okay. That means, so what are the different types of account that are in the journal? Cash account, capital account, equipment account. See, cash is already there. Purchase account, sales account, zero account, advertisement expenses, short-term securities. So like that, see, if you see means there will be 16 different, 16 unique accounts in our journal. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to make 16 tables. Okay. So for ledger, we have to make one table for each accounts. Okay. For cash account, one table. For capital account, one table. For equipment account, purchase, sales, like this. I have made 16 tables. Okay. So I think so far it is clear, right? So you know how to write the journal. Then in journal, we will be having this account name column, right? In this account name, we have to find what are the unique account names there. See, cash, capital, equipment, cash is already repeated, so don't take. Then purchase, sales, Chiru, advertisement expense, short-term securities, Dinakar, commission paid, GST paid, rent account, then interest received, depreciation. So like this, there will be 16 different accounts. I am making 16 different table for all the accounts. Okay, now the left side. Okay, so see, this is one table. In this table, the left side, it is called as credit debtor. Okay, it is debit. This right side, it is called as credit. Okay, for all the table, this is same only. Left side it is debit, right side it is credit. Okay, now how this journal entry will, the ledger entry is made means, see, what is the first journal? Cash account, debtor, capital account. So that means in cash account, debit side, I have to put 11 lakhs. In capital account, credit side, I have to put 11 lakhs, right? See, for each journal entry, we have to put that in two tables. Okay, one journal will have two accounts, right? So we have to mention that in both the tables also. See, first one, cash account, debtor, capital account. Okay, so what we have to do? So we have to first mention in cash account side, first one, that is in debit side only. I told na, see, cash account, debtor, capital account, that means serial number 1. Okay, so don't forget the serial number. Serial number is very important. That I will tell you later why it is important. Okay, account name is, so here in debtor side we have to write 2. Okay, in credit side we will write by. Okay, so we will write 2 capital account. What is the amount? 11 lakhs. Okay, now in capital account, in credit side, we have to write the same thing. Okay, so this is also serial number 1 only. Okay, what is the account name? Here the account name will be by cash account. The amount will be 11 lakhs. Okay, so I think now you got it. I think so. Okay, first for each journal, there will be two accounts. For each, in each table, for like we have cash account one table, we have capital account one table. Now in cash account, debtor side, we have to write 11 lakhs. In capital account, in credit side, we have to write 11 lakhs. Okay, see, here it is DR means another account will be credit only. Okay, that's what I written. In capital, sorry, in cash account table, I put 11 lakhs in debit side. In capital account table, I put 11 lakhs in the credit side. Okay. So while writing name in cash means, so the account is capital. Here me, it is by cash. Okay. So both are serial number 1 only. Okay. Now, what is the second one? Equipment account, debtor, cash account. So in equipment, I have to write 75 here. 75. So the account is, it is 2 cash. Okay, 2 cash account. So serial number is 2. It is 2 cash account. Now in cash account table, what we will do? We have to mention here by equipment account. What is the amount? 75,000. Okay, now we have written for second one. Now I have to write for third one. Okay, purchase account, debtor, cash account. So in purchase account, I have to, in debit side, I have to make 45,000. So in purchase, I have to make 45,000. So this is journal number 3. And what is the journal means? To cash account. Now, same in cash account, in credit side, we have to put this. So by this, you will be very clear, I think so. By PUR CHC PUR purchase account. So the amount is 45,000. Okay. So I think you are clear, right? So see, first one, what I did, cash account, debtor, capital account, the amount is 11 lakhs. So in cash account table, in debit side, I will put 11 lakhs. In capital account table, in credit side, I will put 11 lakhs. For second entry, in equipment table, in equipment account table, in debit side, I will put 75,000. In cash account table, in credit side, I will put 75,000. For third one, in purchase table, I will put 45,000 in the debit side, and in cash account table, I will put 45,000 in the debit side. Okay. See, so far it is clear, right? So, like the same, we have to write for all the 18 values. Okay. So now I will write the entries for all the 18. You can skip the video when I come, skip the video for a few minutes. At the time, I will be in the trial balance. Okay. So for third one, I filled. For fourth one, I'll straight away write it. Okay. Rather than wasting time. So you guys understand the concept, so it will be easy. Mm, to sales account. So it will be, sorry, don't skip. Forgot to tell one thing. Why that? Okay. Just a minute. 375, 1, 2, 3. Eighth one. Short-term securities. 16th one. I have 12th one. 12th one, 2 Dinakar. So it will be 25,000. In 16th one, 2 interest received. The value will be 4,355. You come here, it will be fifth one by salary. It is 30,000. Then seventh one by advertisement expense. EXP. It is 49. Then 10th one by commission. By commission account 6,000. Then 11th one by GST is 33. For 13th one by purchase, it is 50,000. For 14th one by rent, it is 6750. For 15th one by zero, it is 10,000. So capital, nothing will be there. Equipment, 17th one. Depreciation, 15,000. For purchase, sixth one, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. In 13th one, to cash, 50,000. Here it is 18 by closing stock, 23,000. In sales, by cash, it is 375, 1, 2, 3. Then ninth one by Dinakar. So by Dinakar it is 57 into 3. Next one, salary account. Fifth one, to cash amount is 30,000. Then for zero, 15, to cash 10, 1, 2, 3. In credit side is sixth one by purchase 30,000. Advertisement expense from the 7, to cash 49,123. Short-term securities 8th one by cash 2 lakhs. தினக்கர்ல வந்து 9th one to sales 57,123. Then by cash 12th one. Yeah. One by cash 25,000. Sorry. Commission paid, so it is 10. Account on the to cash amount 6,000. GST Sierra 14. Account name on the to GST on the 11. Account name on the to cash amount 33,000. Rent on the 14 to cash 6750. Interest received on the 16 இருக்கு. 16 by cash 4355. Depreciation on the 17. Account on the to equipment amount on the 15,000. Closing stock on the 18th one to purchase 23. Okay, so now I have filled the journal for all the entries. Okay, so we will quickly go through the journal. Okay, so first journal, like here the journal account is there na. So first one is cash account, debtor, capital 11 lakhs. So in cash debit side I put 11 lakhs. In capital, in credit I put 11 lakhs. Second one, equipment, debtor, cash. So in equipment debit side I put 75,000. 75,000 in cash. In credit side I put 75,000. Third one, purchase account, debtor, cash account 45,000. So purchase 45 will be in debit side. Then in cash, just a minute, guys. Mouse is not working properly. In cash, in credit side, I will put 45,000. See, then fourth one, cash account, debtor, sales account. So in cash, in debit side, I will put 3,75,000. Then in sales account, in credit side, I will put 3,75,000. Then fifth one, see, in all the places, I am maintaining the same roll number, serial number. Fifth one, salary account, debtor, cash account. So in salary account, in debtor side, I put 30,000. In cash account, I put 30,000 in the credit side. Then sixth one, purchase account, debtor, Chiru account. So in purchase account, so sixth one, so to Chiru, so I am putting 30,000 in the debit side, and in Chiru account table, I am putting 30,000 in the debit side. Okay, then advertisement expense, debtor, cash. So in advertisement expense column in table, I am putting 49,000 in the debit side. Then in cash account table, I am putting 49,000 in the credit side. Okay, then cash account, debtor, short-term securities. So cash account, in cash account, in debit side 2 lakhs I am putting. Then in short-term securities table, I am putting 2 lakhs in the credit side. Okay, then ninth one, Dinakar account, debtor, sales account. So in Dinakar account, I am putting 57 in debit side. In sales account, I will be putting 57,000 in the credit side. Then 10th one, commission account, debtor, cash account. So in commission account table, I put 6,000 in the debit side. Then in cash, I put 6,000 in the credit side. Then GST account. In GST account, I put 33,000 in the debit side. In cash, I put 33,000 in the credit side. Then 12th one. 12th one is cash account debtor. Cash account debtor Dinakar account, right? So cash account. So here I am putting 25,000 in the debit side. In Dinakar table, I am putting 25,000 in the credit side. Third one, purchase debtor cash. So in purchase, I am putting 50,000 in the credit debit. So and in cash, I am putting 50,000 in the credit. Then 14th one. So same, I think I have no need to explain. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, all are same only. Okay. See, even for this depreciation account, you see depreciation account debtor equipment account. So I made a table for depreciation account. There I put 15,000 in the debit side. Then in equipment account, I put the value in credit side. Same for closing stock. Okay. Now what we have to do means we have to add all the values. Okay. For making trial balance, like we are coming to the last part. Okay. So it is very simple only. So we have to add all the values. This one. Okay. Making these values in bold. Okay. So here it is only 11 lakhs only is there. Only one inside. Okay, now here two sides values are there. Here also, so I want to sum, so equal to sum this three values. Tile insert on table. Okay, this is the sum. I want to add this one, so equal to sum this two. So this will be in bold. So this one okay, this is okay, this is okay. So in what are the tables I have two or more entries, I am adding it. Now see what we have to do means, so just to see the credit side and debit side, which side it is maximum, debit side, right? So we have to, like, ultimately we have to find the difference. Okay, observe clearly, we have to, for each table we have to find the difference and put the difference in the maximum side. Here debit is the maximum, so total debit minus total credit. Put the value in the debit side. Okay. Here it is 11 lakhs only. 11 0 0 1 2 3. Okay. So it will be 11 lakhs. So it will come in this side only, because there is no value for debit. So here debit side is the value, higher value. So 75,000 minus 15,000, it is 60,000. So making red and bold. Okay. So this red value, right, that I will write in the trial balance. So here in purchase column, in debit side, I'm having 1,25,000. In credit side, I'm having 23,000. So the difference is 1 lakh and 2,000. Okay. Now for sales, this is the only value. For salary, this is the only value. Hmm. Okay, for zero account, where it will be here, right? So equal to 30,000 minus 10,000. So it will be 20,000. Okay. So 20,000 will be this one. For advertisement, this is the value. For this, it is this one. For Dinakar account, it is 57,000 minus 25,000. So it is 32,000. Okay. What happened here? In short-term securities, what is there? Short-term securities, it is 2 lakhs. 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So for Dinakar, it is 32,000. Okay. For commission paid, 6,000 is the only value. For GST also, this is the only value. For rent, this is the only value. For interest received account, this is the only value. depreciation, this is the only value, and the closing stock, this is the only value. Now, what I will write in the trial balance, I am going to write all the red values. Okay, if it is in debit side, I will write in debit. If it is in credit side, I will write in credit. Okay, see, for cash account, 13,99,605 is in debit side. So I will write that value in debit side. Okay, it is 13,99,605. Okay, then for capital account, it is in credit side. Okay, 11 lakhs 00123. See, if you see, it will be in there only. See, for capital, 11 lakhs is in credit side. For equipment, 60,000 is in debit. Okay, so I will write 60,000 here. Then for purchase, 1 lakh and 2,000 is in debit side. So I will write here 102, 123. Then for sales, 4 lakh 32,000 is in credit side. So I will write here 4 lakh 32,000. Then for salary, 30,000 will be in debit side. Then 20,000 in credit. Advertisement expenses 49,000. Short-term securities, it is 2 lakhs, that is in credit side. For Dinakar, 32,000 will be there. Dinakar 32,000, right? Dinakar 32,000 is in a debit side. See, you can see these values. Okay, I'm just writing the values only. For commission paid, 6,000 is in debit side. Then GST 33,000 is in debit side. For rent, 6750 is in debit side. Interest received 4355 is in credit side. Depreciation and closing stock both are in debit only. 23,123. Okay. So you can cross check these values. See, commission, GST, rent, both are these three are in debit only. See, commission, GST, rent, all are in debit side. Then interest, this one in credit, these two are in debit side. Okay. So we know that trial balance will always be equal. Okay. So trial balance of both the debit side and the credit side will be equal. Okay. Okay. See, I'm making the formula only. Equal to sum. Okay. See, both the values are equal. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to make the profit and loss statement. Okay. So for profit and loss statement, I already made one separate video. So that is a shortcut video, that is CLR TAE. Okay. So I think those who watched that video only can know what is the CLR and DAE. Okay. So I can't explain that here. If you want to know the trick, you just see in my YouTube channel. You can find 3 or 4 videos for this topic. Okay. So I briefly explain. If some see, now I want to put all the 16 values in this profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay. If some entry is in credit side, means it will come either as a liability or an revenue. If some value is in debit side, means it will come as an asset or an expense. Okay. So first one, cash. So it is in debit side. So debit means we should think it is either an asset or an expense. So of course we know cash is an asset. Okay. So cash. So the amount is 13,99,605. Then second one, capital. So of course capital is a liability. CAPITAL. So amount is 11 lakhs, 11,00123. Okay. Then third one, equipment. Equipment is in debit. So equipment is an asset. So the value is 60,000. Then fourth one, purchase. Purchase is always an expense. Okay. Pure CH. purchase amount is 102,123. Then fifth one, sales. Sales will be a revenue, okay, because it is in credit side, so it is a revenue. Sales, it is 432. Okay. Then sixth one, salary. So paying salary is a expense only. Okay. Salary paid. Okay. Sixth one, salary. So it is 30,000. Then seventh one, Chiru. Chiru, that is in a debit credit side. So credit means liability or a revenue. Okay. So if you take the entry for Chiru means no, see, don't worry. If something is in a credit side means so it should either be a liability or a revenue. See, this Chiru of 20, what to say? If person's name is given and an amount is there means they will either be a like what to say? They will either be asset or liability only. Okay, they won't come under expense and revenue. Okay, so sixth one, right? Uh-huh. Seventh one. So seventh one, zero. So it is 20,000. Then eighth one, advertisement expenses. So name itself it is there. ADVXP. Advertisement expenses 49,000. Then short-term securities. So short-term securities is a liability. Sorry. Short-term securities. So sorry, it is in credit side. So it should be a liability or a revenue. So short-term securities, we have to return it back. So it is a liability. So short-term security, it is 2 lakhs, 200,123. Then Dinakar. So Dinakar is in debit side. So he is an asset. Okay. Dinakar, so the value is 32,000, right? 32,123. Then 11th one, commission paid. So commission paid 6,000. So that is an expense, right? It is in debit side. So commission paid is an expense. 6,000. Then GST paid, that is also an expense. So GST is 33,000, right? 33,123. Rent paid, that is also expense. So rent is 6,750. Then interest received. See, interest received. I am receiving this interest. It is in a credit side. So it is a revenue. Okay. So interest it is 4,355. Then depreciation. So depreciation is a loss of value. See, it is in debit side. So just think, if it is in debit means it should come either as an asset or an expense. Okay. It cannot be an asset because depreciation is an expense for us. 15 because it is losing the value, right? Depreciation it is 15,000. Then closing stock. Closing stock is an asset because closing stock is an inventory. It is 23,000. Okay. Now I am going to take the sum of this one. And I'm going to take the sum of this one. So profit or loss is equal to revenue minus expense. So now we have to put this profit and loss here. Profit it is 194605. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm doing, just to go and watch my how to this trial balance video. There I have solved this question. Okay, so if we now simply put the sum. So why I make this profit or loss in the liability is, so if we either in a company, whatever it is, if it is either a profit or a loss, it is always liable. Okay, that's why I calculated the profit and loss and I included in the balance sheet. Okay, see, the balance sheet is balanced. That's all this question. Okay, so I think in this video we started with the journal. So I explained how to make a journal. So to make a journal, we have to first to put the debt account which is in debit in the first, followed by credit account. Then in ledger, first what I did, I made 16 tables. Okay, 16 tables means what are the accounts in the journal. I made a table for all the accounts. Then for each journal, I have to write two accounts. Okay, I have to write in two places. Okay, so I'm just scrolling, so you can see this file. Then after that, what I did, I for all the tables, see in cash we have multiple values in debit and multiple values in the credit. I added all them and I subtracted and put in which like here debit is the higher hand, so I put in the debit side. Like I put the difference in this higher hand side. Here it is only 11,000 credit alone is there, so just I kept that value only. Okay, then I made the trial balance. Okay, okay, then trial balance is made, and by this trial balance I made this profit and loss. So finally my balance sheet should balance. Okay, so to balance this, I used this very simple clue, CLR DAE. Okay, like the an elaborated video is made by me, and it is available in the YouTube itself. You can watch if you didn't understand by this video. Okay, so that's all. With this you can able to solve whatever may be the questions. Okay, thank you.